You can use another vacuum cleaner to get rid of any of the trapped dust. If you've not got another vacuum cleaner, just take your filter outside and bang it on a wall. Basically, we're just trying to get rid of any dust inside the filter that will be reducing the suction. After I've done this, if the filter is a bit smelly, I like to spray it just once or twice with some disinfectant spray. On the label inside your filter, there will be a tag saying "Do not wash." The reason being, if you put it in a washing machine, they can go misshapen and sometimes get damaged too. Another thing is, when you wash them, is they can take ages to dry. So what happens is they start smelling a bit fusty and probably worse than when you started. So I don't really recommend washing them, but I've been speaking to other people that do. Now, a machine method is to wrap it in a towel so it doesn't get damaged. Just put it on a 30-degree wash, and then obviously you need to dry it as quickly as you can. Put it on a radiator, whatever. Another recommendation is from Carl Purcell on Henry the Hoover Appreciation Club on Facebook, and he actually does it by hand and uses bleach if they're really bad. Obviously that presumably gets rid of the smells and also any discoloration as well. Again, if you're going to do that, get the dust out first, wash it by hand, and then get the filter dried off as quickly as you can. I hope this video has helped. Have fun cleaning. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to my channel as I try and come up with a solution to every Henry problem.